Hi guys, welcome to another amazing section of Say Your Market with Probaba. And on here we have Chioma, help me out,
Chioma Okezue.
Chioma Okezue. She's a financial coach and also a Forex coach, the convener of a financially fit community. So good to have you here, Chioma.
Good to have me
It
here
amazes
too.
me when I see female traders and coach. Like there's this, like it's just like what a man can do,
A
a woman
woman can
can.
do better.
So that's just what I feel like.
Thank you so
Man, it
much.
amazes me. You're doing a great work.
Thank you so
Yeah.
much.
So
Thank you.
talking about Forex, can you just give us a highlight of your journey so far or your brand? What do you have to tell us?
All right. So my brand just kicked off,
Mhm.
but I've been trading for 2 years.
Okay.
I started with an academy where I learned how to trade, but then Forex was firstly introduced to me in 2018.
Oh, that's a while.
Yeah, that's a while by my auntie. Oh, I'm talking about a woman that is almost a grandmom. So, in a way, they inside blood. So she told me about it, but I never took it seriously. So I started taking it seriously when I joined an academy that
Okay.
actually taught me a lot. And then I decided, okay, I think I've learned to this extent. It's
Mhm.
time for me to actually teach people
Okay.
out there how to trade. So,
So you're
well,
giving back. You've gotten now. It's time to
to
give
give
back.
back because a lot of people need to know about this thing. I think
Yeah,
it should be introduced in schools, if you ask me.
I
It should
think
be
so.
more like reading and writing.
I think so.
Yes, how to make money without,
With-
and jumping more boss and stressing yourself,
Yeah.
selling your time. Yeah, so that's about it.
Yeah,
It's been a
because it's
while.
part of education.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes,
so
it's yeah.
it
If you
needs to
ask
be
me,
infused. Yeah.
but in fact, but if I could, I will infuse it. In fact, I'm planning to be Minister of Education someday, so we need to put it in our curriculum. It's necessary. Yeah, that's what I think about it.
All right. We know in every business there's ups and downs. You get, and every trader has a story to tell. So it's not. It sounds cliche, but that is the truth.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. There's always this down times. There's always this up times. There's just challenges generally. So
Mm.
what have been your challenges trading forex?
Ah, Baba, if I start. Well, all I can say is it's just like any business. You cannot just come into business and expect to break through
That's true.
immediately. So if you're coming into Forex, always come in with the mind of learning the skill, understanding what you're getting into. So, well, people that know me, in fact, my husband is one person that has actually tried. I have blown money. I have made a lot of mistakes. I have made a lot of mistakes, and I cannot start telling everybody now, so I won't scare.
Mhm.
The,
That's true.
yes,
People that intend to.
the truth is, if you have the right guidance and mentorship,
Mm.
on time, you will get to scale a lot of problems. So
Okay.
yes, I faced a lot of challenges. I lost a lot of money, but with time, the losses started reducing
Okay.
because I put more effort in the skill. When I came with I must make this money.
Aggression.
I must make this money. This money,
Aggression.
So the
You
thing now,
had a mindset of a gambler.
you can say that again. I was like, this money, now me and you today. So that mindset, the mindset you come in with matters a lot.
That's true.
When you come in with the mindset to learn, you enjoy the process. It's like losing weight. If you want to lose weight and you come in with, we must lose it. Even if you lose it, you see yourself adding,
Gaining again.
getting,
That's true.
losing, going back to. But when you enjoy the process of losing weight and take your time, you will see that it becomes a part of your life. That's exactly how Forex is. You have to come in
Definitely.
with enjoying the process of learning.
The
So
passion has to be there.
it has to be there. Exactly. So yes,
Because
it
you
was
see a
rough
lot of people will
initially.
be like, I want to trade. And once they just learn 1 week, 2 weeks, you don't see them
They
anymore.
don't run, oh, they don't jack. You see,
Most
it's not for
especially
the
when they lose funds.
Hey, that's the
That
beginning
would be
now.
a gateway for them.
To
An
run with
excuse.
as in with their tails in between their legs, because come on, it's the same. The funny thing is that it's the same with business. If you rush into business without taking time to understand that you will encounter losses, challenges,
Yeah.
trust me, you will leave that business. The business will crumble. So it's just like business. Initially, it was rough for me, but now I think I'm doing good. I'm doing good.
That's good. That's good.
Thank you.
Because those are experiences over time. You get.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
the experiences build up to you enhancing your skill.
Very
Yeah. Yeah.
important.
Were there times that you felt like giving up? Like
Hey, you see, let me explain. It depends on why you got started in the first place. What's your why?
yeah.
So my why was too strong. Um, I would cry. Sometimes I would cry and say, what am I doing? God help me. What is this rubbish? Choma don't enter one chance again. Which kind of rubbish be this? Where I dey look for money? You understand?
Yeah.
But then I'm like, I can't give up. I've come too far.
Yeah.
You understand? When you say it depends on how skin deep you are in the game. How deep are you in the game? So it never occurred to me to give up. I won't lie.
Okay.
Because I was enjoying it and I was like, I see people. In fact, there's this guy I follow, Q Banks. You know Q Banks? If you check on, he's an American. He trades only US 30. And I mean, because I had a lot of mentees, you know, I came into the Mastery Academy, it's an IM Mastery Academy. I came into the academy, I was a networker and I was mentoring. So there they trained me to be to be mentoring people, teaching people while I was even bringing them into the market. So that was where I met this man. I had a lot of people trying to be like that man. I just really liked the way he, you know, when I see young people that are not even up to 25, they are doing things. I said, now I die
And everything.
I die here, you know. And I'm like, I'm not going anywhere. This is going to be my story, you know. And it's so possible, you know. People think it's impossible, but it's not.
It's not.
It's not. I have seen these things live. Somebody that also came in and started learning 6 months and grabbed it really fast. I know how much that guy makes. It's not a scam, oh. It's real. So I am seeing the money now, and that's why I'm shouting that people should really actually get on. So yeah, that's what motivated me never to give up. I saw people actually making it, and I was like, why would my own story be different?
True.
Yes.
You know, there's this time when you're learning and losing. At the point when you start making profits, you be like, wow, so this is actually real. But
Yeah.
at some point, it will be like it's not real. Like you don't think one can ever be profitable. You get when you keep
True.
losing back to back.
True.
But when you look at the factors, why did I lose this money? You go back and re-strategize and look at the mistakes you've been making. Those times whereby you want to treat it like gambling, is you maybe make a little profit, you're supposed to leave the market and go, but you still want to get in, you want to get more. In the process of trying to get more, you lose the one you get. You got,
yes.
So by the time you master the art of discipline and risk management and the rest, I think you'll be a better trader.
You're right. Yeah. And there's something people don't know. I learned this too. It's called journaling. You journal. So every time you enter the market, you write why you, if you lose trades, you have to sit down and write down why you lost that trade. A lot of people don't do that.
No, a lot don't do that.
That thing helps a lot. Sometimes I go back to, I write it down and I say, okay, next time I won't do that. And then I don't do that because I've read my journal and I know, all right,
because it's going to repeat itself again.
Without you even knowing, you keep making the same mistakes.
Yeah.
So when you journal, you get to understand, oh, this is where I'm making a mistake and I won't do it again. So people need to introduce this trading journal into their
I think it's part of the learning tips.
Yes.
But I think it's been overlooked.
People don't know about
people
it.
Don't really put it to practice. They might know, but they don't put it to practice.
Everybody just wants to enter and come out. What's it concern me with writing inside? You understand? It took me a while to actually accept it as well. So it happens to the best of us. You can say that again.
That's true. So what advice do you have to the upcoming traders or people who intend, they have been looking at this trading stuff, I want to do this. What can you tell them? Because a lot has to be said to them, which needs to get into their
brain. No, it's not just here. It should not enter here and come out. The truth is, guys, if you're an upcoming trader, one, find you a mentor. See, that is why Igbo people, I'm not trying to be tribalistic. You know that I don't work for my oga freedom.
Yeah.
That is why they do very well in business. It's the same thing. Find you a mentor that can help you scale all the challenges he went through or she went through. Number one, find you a mentor. It's not just about going on YouTube and thinking you can do it. I tried that as well. You understand? I thought I could do it. I didn't understand Jack what they were saying until I went through a mentor. Find you a mentor. All right. If you're going to start with something you can afford to lose.
Very important. Key.
Number one, start with something you can afford to
before
lose.
You get high blood pressure.
People have, oh my goodness, let's not go there. So start with something you can afford to lose. And even if you want to, you say, okay, you don't have much, prop firms are a good way to
They
practice.
are. They are.
They're actually a good way to practice. I mean, you can be putting $74 and you know it's every $74 you're blowing.
Blowing.
Instead
Yeah.
of the $100 you keep putting.
Putting. Yeah,
You
that's
know,
true.
and then you are learning. And it will still pinch you. At least you are feeling the fact that you're not just trading with demo money.
Yeah.
It will still
It will
pinch you
still
when you
pinch
lose
you.
money.
That's
So
true.
try trading with prop firms if you can. $74 and then you keep, and then maybe you might just, you never know, and enjoy some good profit
Yeah,
out of
that's
it.
true.
You know what I'm saying? So
I've done prop firm in a lot of times. I could remember this time I think I bought an account with like 60 something thousand naira, and at the end of, let's say, 2 weeks or thereabout, I made a withdrawal of about, I think, 1,000 plus.
you see,
That's
so
to
you've
say
made,
almost 700,000
that's
naira.
like times 10 of your money.
That's it.
So you see, you never know. So start with something small. Start with prop firms. You know, there are so many beautiful prop firms out there these days
Definitely.
that are really helping. In fact, I didn't even know about prop firms until last year. A few months ago, after I had blown and blown and blown. So people need to really understand that you can start with these things, and then please come in with the mindset of a winner. If you come in with somebody that is hungry and you want to grab the market, my brother,
You lose it.
you lose it.
You get burnt.
Yes, you need to come in like you've seen money. You're just coming to understand how to make more. So you have to come in with the mindset of a winner. I just want to learn the process to making money. I think these few tips, I mean, with that, you
Wow.
see yourself going far, and always practice, back test, journal. You will see yourself going places.
All right, guys, you heard what she said. It's not just about listening to her. You also put it to practice. So, can you tell us about your school, your courses or stuff?
Oh yes. So I have this course, the number one reversal strategy for any market. With my course or with this strategy, you can make money in the Forex market, crypto market, and stock market. I know a lot of people are like, it's a lie. Trust me, there are so many people that have bought and they're like, wow, is this possible? Yes, it's very possible. You can use one strategy to conquer any market. So it's
That's
up
true.
now for just 20K. But trust me, it will soon go up. Things don't they cost. So if you're still chilling and doubting yourself about it without trying, because I am a course junkie, I've bought a lot of courses. It got me here. So try and see for yourself. Yes, I have some people that have actually tried it.
Okay, there are testimonies.
Oh my God. No,
wow.
If you go on my page, you will see a lot of people.
So guys, visit her page.
Yes, on my link tree, you will get to see, and I've started a community. It's just costing, it's not even up to $50 a month. It's something a lot of you have blown severally.
Yeah, they can afford it.
Yes, come and learn how to do this thing. It's not just about going there and looking for where to sell and buy, guys. Actually, so I started this community. You can come and say, okay, you want to just buy the course and see what I'm talking about. Yeah, it's out there right now for just 20K. So grab it if you're an intermediate. Even beginners are using this course and they're making money already, because I broke it down in such a way that even people that don't understand what candles are, they get to see it in the course. So yeah, it's one of my very beautiful creations I'm proud of, in whom I am well pleased.
That's nice.
Thank you.
So guys, 20K is what you can just squash in a meal. So why not put it into investing in yourself? Put it into yourself and develop yourself, your skills, and make more money, because it takes skill to make money. So you need to develop that skill and then make money. All right, Chioma, I'm so happy to have you here. This was just so insightful.
Well. Thank you.
We can't wait to have you again here.
I know, me too. It was so much fun. Thank you for inviting me.
All right.
Thank you for reaching out to me.
You're welcome.
And thank you for scoping out for talented people, because it takes someone with with some spiritual, high spiritual sense to actually fish out all those people that have good talent. Thank you for what you do, sir.
Yeah,
we appreciate you too.
You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Let's milk it.
Probaba FX shop for you.